So, hi friend, welcome back to the another episode. And today's episode is going to be a very helpful for you because you know that from last 2 days I am making videos continuously because I want to improve my English and as well as I want to improve my communication skill, and that is why I started making uh, of this type of video. It will help me to improve my fluency and improve my communication skill. So that is why I am making this video, and my goal is also that if you are watching this video, so you will get some information from my video and that will inspire you to in your life, and that information will help you to grow in your life, and that is why I am making this type of video. You know that if you watch on YouTube, so you will see most of the videos are in uh, Hindi or in Marathi, but my goal is that to improve my fluency in English. You know that English is a very important language in today's time. If you want um, better job, or if you want to achieve better in your life, because most of the opportunities are for the people who are able to speaking in English or who are able to communicate in English. So that is why English is a very important in today's time. So the today's topic is that in this video I am going to share with you 5 effective time management technique that will help you to manage your time. You know friend that we all have a 24 hours in a day, right? But why does this happen? Only few people are able to achieve more in a less time, whereas other people are still struggling to achieve more in a less time. So what make them differences? So what is the difference between those people and we? The difference is that they are smarter than us, or they have a more time. No, the difference is simple. they the people who achieve more in less time, so they manage their day, they manage their time, and that is why they are achieving more in a less time. But what happened with us? We don't manage our time, we don't manage our day, and that is why we feel that we I wish we could have more time. But you don't need to more time, you just need to manage the time that you already have. And if once you understand how to manage the time that you have already, so you can make a huge changes, or you become a productive in your day-to-day life. So if you are not able to managing your time, and if you don't know how to manage time, so don't worry about it, because this video is specially for the people who wants to manage their time. So don't worry about it, I will guide you step by step how to manage a time. Watch this video till the end, because in this video I am going to share with you 5 effective psychology based and proven technique that will help you to be productive in your life and to manage your time. But first of all, you need to understand that you don't need to manage your time. We can't manage our time. If you want to be productive in your life, you just need to manage yourself, and you need to manage your day. And once you manage your day, you don't need to do extra effort, or you don't need to put extra effort to managing your time. You will see your time is managing automatically. But to managing that time, you just need to manage yourself and your day, and once you start managing your day, you will see automatically you are managing your time. So how to manage? So how does this happen? So watch this video till the end. And one thing I want to tell you, that if you like this video and you feel that I am getting helpful tips and inspiration from my video, so you can appreciate me by like, share and to subscribe my channel. So without any further delay, let's get started. So the first tip is that if you want to manage your time or if you want to be productive in your life, so the first is that you need to divide your task into 4 categories. So what are the 4 categories? The first category is that important and urgent. The second category is that important but not urgent, and third category is that urgent but not important. And once you segregate your task into in these 3 categories, you will see you are able to more focused to focus more on a thing that truly matter for you. And because this method help you to focus on the thing that truly matter you and that is important for you. And this method also prevent you to wasting your time and energy on the thing or on that thing that doesn't truly matter for you or that doesn't too much important for you. And once you apply this technique, you will see that you are able to be productive in your life. So this is the first technique. So apply this technique in your life. This is the first technique. The second technique is that Pomodoro technique. You know that our mind is fully focused and sharp focused only for some times, and the time is that 45 minutes or 60 minutes. In these time our mind are fully focused, and in these time if you read whatever the thing that you want to get it better, so you can do easily in these 45 to 60 minutes, because in these time your mind are highly energized or highly focused. So whatever the thing that you want to get it better or whatever the thing that you want to achieve the task, so do that task in 45 to 60 minutes. And the Pomodoro technique is that work only for 25 minutes or take a 5 to 10 minute break. And you know that Pomodoro technique, you can see, you feel it is very simple, but it is a very effective technique. Once you apply this technique, you will understand it over time, because you know that once we don't apply the anything, we don't understand what is this. So first of all, you need to apply this your life, work for 25 minutes and take a 5 or 10 minute break. It will help you to reset your brain, and it will help your brain to refocus. Because you know that whenever we start doing something for a long time, our mind start overwhelming, and we feel boring, and we stop doing that thing. So instead of, you need to break your time in a slot, work for 25 minutes and take a break for 10 to 5 minutes. It will help you to refocus and sharp focused, right? So this is the second technique that you can apply to managing your day or to achieve more thing in a less time. The third technique is that clean your environment. You know friend, that if suppose imagine you are working in a room that is not tidy or that is not clean, so can you tell me, can you achieve or can you feel energized in that untidy room? No. So you need, first of all, you need to clean your environment where you are working. So keep only the thing that matter for you or that help you to achieve your target or to accomplish your goal or target. and remove all the necessary thing that distract you. Like if you think that your phone is your biggest distraction, so just keep that phone in another room, or just you can keep it on a silent, right? So remove all the unnecessary thing that distract you, and clean your environment. And when you start cleaning your environment, you will feel more energized and motivated. Automatically you will see a result. So this is the third technique that you can also apply to managing your time. And this is very important task, because it is a proven technique, and I applied this technique in my day-to-day activity. Whenever I want to accomplish a big thing, I first of all I remove all the necessary all remove all the unnecessary thing that distract me, or I only just keep the thing that help me to accomplish my task. And just clean your environment whatever you like, right? So this is the third technique for you. And the fourth technique is that avoid multitasking. You know that most of the people think that multitasking is a very good and it is a very cool. They think that if I can do multiple things, so we can achieve more in a less time. But psychology says that multitasking reduce your efficiency, and it increases the chances of making more mistake, right? Because you know that most of the people jump into one task to the another task, and that is why they start overwhelming and they stop doing all thing. So instead of doing multitasking, you just need to focus on a one thing and do that thing. And after accomplish that thing, after completing that task, then you can move ahead on the next task. And whenever you divide your task into categories, that will help you to achieve more in a less time. But most of the people jump from one task to the another task before, and they after the end of the day they feel they are not accomplish anything. Why? Because they multitasking in their life. So stop multitasking in your life, and you will see a tremendous result in your life. So this is the technique for you. And the last technique, and a very important technique, that will help you to achieve more in a less time, and the technique is that mindfulness. You know that most of the people think that being productive means doing a lot of hard work, doing a continuously work. But this is not a productivity means doing a work smartly and achieve more thing in a less time. This is the productivity. But most people think that productivity means continuously working. You just need to understand that our mind is not created for just doing continuously work. You just need to rest your time, your mind. You need to give rest of your mind to fully charged. You know that why we sleep in a night? Because after sleeping we feel energized and rechargeable, right? So that is why our mind is also need to restart to more focus. So the practice of mind, so you can practice of mindfulness. So what can you do in a mindfulness? That you can meditation, you can do breathing exercise, or you can read books from which you will get inspiration. You can gossip with your friend, or you can gossip with your family member on a whatever the thing that you want to talk to with him. But most of the people think that taking rest means scrolling social media and watching TV or shows. This is not taking a rest, but it increases your chances of distraction. So don't do this. You just need to mindfulness means to relax your mind, to do the thing that feel you that make feel you calm and relax. So apply this technique in your life, in your day-to-day activity, and you will see a drastic change in your life. We all have a 24 hours in a day, right? So apply this technique. So I will meet you in the next video with the very important topic and with a very energetic with new energy. So till the end, thank you.